When looking to sell products through your YouTube channel, there's certain words you're going to want to use in your title, description, tags to attract the right audience and increase the likelihood of making a sale. And these words are called keywords, and chances are the keywords you're thinking of using probably suck. But that's okay, mine also did when I started my channel 3 years ago. I was a bit lost in life, had no direction, and I just wanted to start a channel and share information with my audience. And back then I was using any and every keyword I could think of, and that was definitely a mistake. And it was only after a while that I decided to look at the professionals, the top sellers on YouTube, to see what keywords they were using themselves. Now, Pat Flynn and Alpha M have over 200,000 and 5 million subscribers on YouTube, and they're definitely top sellers on the platform. Now, Pat Flynn and Alpha M are the two channels we're going to be looking at today to see exactly what keywords they use when they're making a sale. Now, I'm going to start the video off by skipping a lot of wasted time and give this video some focus by saying when you're looking to sell a product on the platform, you want to be using commercial intent keywords. Now, commercial intent keywords are the keywords where there's a high likelihood that someone searching using that keyword on YouTube is going to become a customer. So we're going to go ahead and get Pat Flynn's channel up now. And while we're doing that, if you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're interested in creating a YouTube channel and selling through it, that's exactly what we cover on this channel. But let's jump into Pat's profile now. Okay, cool. So now we're looking at Pat Flynn's YouTube profile. Pat Flynn's famous for making hundreds of thousands of dollars online by selling products through his website every month. Now, if we jump over to his videos, we're going to see an insight into the keywords he's typically using when he makes sales. And we can see from his latest 3 videos here, he's using commercial intent keywords, which I'll explain for you now. So what Pat is doing here is he's using a type of commercial intent keywords called product keywords. Now, these are keywords such as a specific product's name, such as iPhone, Xbox, Ferrari. They can be keywords about a product category, so car, house, and keywords investigating these products such as best, top, cheapest are also part of the product keyword category. If we jump back into Pat's videos here, we can see that in the last 3 videos, he's using specific product names. So we've got Focusrite Scarlett 212 in the first video, we've got AKG Lycra USB microphone in the second video, and Rodecaster Pro in the third. And we can see he's also using product keywords such as review. And if we go and click into one of these videos, they're going to be videos specifically focused on that single product, exploring it, talking about the good things about it, the bad things about it. It's a video purely focused on those product keywords. And then if you scroll down to the description of the video, we're going to see that Pat has included a link in the description to the video where you can go ahead and buy the product being spoken about in the video. So Pat's used a really clever strategy here. He's using specific product names to catch people on YouTube that are searching for that particular product, because people looking for a product, typing in product keywords, already have an idea of a product. They're already planning to buy a specific product, but they just want some more information, maybe some confirmation that it's a good product before they go ahead and buy it. So what Pat's doing is he's catching people searching for product information, giving them that last little bit of persuasion to buy the product and then sending them through to the product to buy it, where he's making money from that sale. Now, I'll put an even more detailed list of product keywords you can use in your YouTube keywords in the description below, so go ahead and look at that to get some ideas. But let's just jump back to Pat's channel. There's something else I've noticed that's really interesting too that he does. And that thing is, if we look at this video here, how to podcast with an iPhone or iPad. Yeah, he's using product keywords, iPhone, iPad. It could be a bit more specific with iPhone 10, iPhone 11, but he's actually using a how-to at the start of this video title, which is another style of keyword that works extremely well on YouTube for making sales that we're going to jump in and explore now. And to explore this different type of keyword, we're going to jump into Alpha M's YouTube channel, which you'll see on your screen now, which is all about lifestyle, grooming, and fitness tips for men. He's got over 5 million subscribers, so anything Alpha M does must be effective on the YouTube platform. So what Pat Flynn was doing with that how to make a podcast video, and what Alpha M does with his video, is they use informational keywords. and they capture people searching for informational keywords and convert them into customers. Now, this is a strategy that can work really well on YouTube if you're clever about it, because you're grabbing people's attention who are searching for information, and then you're selling them products inside those videos. Now, I've made a whole video on this concept and how to do it with your titles that you'll see on screen here. So make sure to go and check that video out if you've not already seen it. So let's have a look at some of his videos. Getting bigger without getting fat. He's grabbing people on YouTube that are searching for how to get bigger, and he's going to sell products to them inside this video. What else do we have? How to be less shy. He's making a video on that, informational, but you can guarantee he'll sell a product inside that video. How to boost your metabolism naturally. You can guarantee people are already looking for that on YouTube. He's providing information on this, and if we go into the video, I bet you he's selling products related to that topic. So here we have the video. If we scroll down, ways to boost your metabolism, and we can see here straight away, he's selling services, how to calculate your metabolic rate, and then he's selling products to buy his bodybuilding related items. So if we click on this link, we'll see that Alpha M is trying to sell us from this video on burning fat. He's trying to sell us supplements and basically workout products. So this has great effect on YouTube. Like we saw before, Alpha M has over 5 million subscribers. People come to YouTube for informational content. They want to be educated. A recent study has recently shown that over 50% of the content consumed on YouTube is educational in nature. So if you can harness that and sell products to people just like Alpha M does, you can make a lot of money selling on YouTube. And these are the types of keywords you should be using, informational keywords. And if we have another quick look at Alpha M's videos, we can see that he's not just using informational keywords, he's also using some product keywords that we saw earlier, where he's using the word best, cheap. If we scroll down, we'll find best again in his title. These are all from the first category of product keywords. So he's using a combination of product keywords and informational keywords to sell even more effectively. So what lessons can we learn from Pat Flynn and Alpha M? First off, product keywords such as the product's name specifically, the category of the product, words like best, review, cheap, all work amazingly well on the platform. And secondly, informational keywords, so how-to videos, lists of the best ways to do things like Alpha M does when he's thinking about what people are searching for and making informational videos using those keywords in his title is a second fantastic strategy to use on YouTube. Education is key because people come to YouTube to learn things, whether it's to learn whether a product is worthwhile to buy, or it's to learn about a vague concept or topic that they need to buy products to achieve and get better at that topic and that concept. Education is how you should be thinking in your mind when you're creating sales videos and writing sales keywords on your YouTube channel. And don't use any keywords that come to mind, any keyword under the sun talking about any random product. That won't work, and it's just a way to have a YouTube channel that sucks. You need to think about what your channel is about and use keywords that are product keywords or informational that fit within your channel's topic. I mean, think about it. Pat Flynn, his channel is all about podcasting. And those 3 products that you can see at the top of his video page were all about products related to podcasting. Alpha M is about fitness and lifestyle tips for men. And those videos, those informational titles he was writing were tailored for men and helping them improve their lifestyle. So figure out what your channel is about and make videos using products and informational keywords within that topic. And we've spoken mainly about titles in this video. But what are tags all about and how do you write a good tag? Well, subscribe and ring the bell because in the next video, I'm making that completely about YouTube tags and how to get tons of views using the right tags. This channel is all about how to build an educational YouTube account, teaching people a skill or a specialism that you have, and then selling products through your channel eventually too. I believe the world is made better by teaching other people things, and YouTube is the way that you can teach as many people as possible the skill or the specialism that you have in your life. So go ahead and like this video if you found it useful. If you've got a talent, a skill that you think other people would love to learn, go ahead and get your channel started. It can be a life-changing thing. I'd recommend anyone to do it. Subscribe to this channel, ring the bell like I mentioned before, and if you're leaving YouTube, if I can't convince you to watch any of my other videos today, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at startingup, and I'll see you there too. So thanks everyone, I hope you found this video useful. See you very soon.